Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC has termed the excuses given by N. Biren-led government in resolving the present crisis of Manipur as unfortunate. Sometimes the excuse is due to failure of law and order, and sometimes the government blames communal issue, illegal immigrants issue, and now the excuse is that there are too many civil society organizations, added the Manipur Congress. Addressing media persons in Congress Bhavan on BT Raw today, senior spokesperson of MPCC 𝐓𝐇𝐄𝐘 𝐖𝐈𝐒 alleged that the current government doesn't understand law and destroys the rules and regulation of democracy. He blames the government for involving in temporary steps and not resolving the crisis. Senior Minister Govindas Konthozam blamed the opposition for not allowing assembly session to function, while the public is aware of the fact that the session is convened every 6 months according to Article 174 of the Indian Constitution, added 𝐓𝐇𝐄𝐘. He also termed the statement of former Chief Minister Radha Binod Koizam that the assembly session could not function due to the drama of opposition as a joke. 𝐓𝐇𝐄𝐘 said public is aware of talks and actions of BJP.
Honorable CM na Manipur da look daman kre kana wari thanagada bono haibasida center to state to tangau nare hai wafam thongdi. This is very unfortunate. Jamna khwaidagi laibo thiba mani mati look jam jaro su masagi matu masagi haiba kenu leijaraba su ngasi bokta Manipur ihobsigi matangda leiriba demand sing adudi tap anaba ngakani almost tap anaba ngakani na thinde ngahale jana ama mo haiba ngahale ga ama mo haiba mi gi tang kun ma thoi jana due to failure of law and order ni he haiba ngahale jana look jamandana akoi center da kari haiga dage khangre ma haiba law and order amasung mase communal issue nati haigale aduga aroiba da mana mu kari haige da mase drug trafficking amasung illegal migrants singa thon bani mo haiba ma masamak Manipur thoiba 𝐓𝐇𝐄𝐘 kari noidi honorable CM mathaji clear oidaba male Manipur gi integrity amasung Manipur gi burning issue singse makoi nainaningde masi thokisanu adumak thoaga makoi ni yengduna leigige batong wali mundri haibagi mongda leiba mali